Denise Richards' dog Scooter died yesterday. In memoriam of Scooter, the 44-year-old actress Instagrammed pictures of her dog with the caption, "Our gorgeous sweet Scooter passed away yesterday. Rescued him 5 years ago, and he gave so much to our family. Lost his leg to cancer almost 1 year ago, and was stronger than ever. We miss him so much already. Beautiful soul. #Scooter." Many of her fans are sympathetic. One commented, "Sorry for you and your family's loss." Another wrote, "Losing a dog is like losing a best friend. ****, hugs ****. Richards has a great love for dogs. She's taken many from rescue shelters, and given them a luxurious lifestyle in her doggy-tailored home. You can watch the video, and see her house, which has a doggy bed under the fireplace and even doggy tables.